In this video, I show you how to make a Minecraft skin. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So I'm showing you an easy Minecraft skin tutorial and I do hope you find it useful. So any further ado, let's go and get into this. Now this tutorial is going to work on any computer as well, regardless if it is Windows or Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go and open up a web browser you have. So personally, I use Google Chrome. So I'm going to go and open up Google Chrome and come to Google, and all you want to do is simply type in something called the skin dex. So type that in just like so. Now do keep watching as I'm showing you the full guide to creating the skin and then going uploading it. Then all you want to do is come to minecraftskins.com and it's going to take you to this website here. Now you do have the option to go and create an account, which you can do if you'd like. Now personally I do have an account, so I'm going to log in, but I'm pretty sure you can use the website without an account as well. So I'm now logged in and let's go and start creating this skin. Now let's go and get into creating this skin. Now just a quick note, there are a ton of skins already on here as well, which other users have created and then uploaded for them to be downloaded. You can go and edit them yourself and then you can go and download it and upload it to your account. But I'm going to show you how to go and create your own from scratch, as it's pretty much the same as going and downloading one of these. So all you want to do is come to this top bar and go and click on editor. Once you're on editor, here we are. Here is the canvas of our skin. Now I want to go and show you a quick thing. So here we've got a ton of the tools. So you've got the paint tool here, the rubber, and you've got sort of a backwards zooming in. You can go and click reset at the bottom. Then on to the right, we've got the color selector, of course, and then you can go and choose the body and the outer layer. Now the outer layer is sort of the external bit, so when creating the body, I recommend turning it off by clicking on it, and then you just have the body here. So the first thing you want to do is go and pick a color on the color palette. So I'm going to go for sort of a blue color around here. And like I said before, make sure you've unselected the outer layer, so it's just the body. We can go and do the outer layer later. And then you want to go onto the left hand side, and here we've got the pen tool, here we've got the rubber, here we've got the paintbrush, and then all the others are sort of, well this is for sort of doing overall ones, but I recommend starting off with the autotone. Now autotone is really cool, as it actually is going to go and make it all random and not all the same. For example, if I go and draw a bit with the pen, I'll draw some light here. As you can see, it's all the same color, so we've got this exactly the same color. But if I go and click on the auto-tune brush with the same colors and I go and do that same square again, as you can see, it all makes it a little bit different, which I absolutely love. And to me, the bottom one looks a whole lot better than the top one. It just looks a bit more sort of detailed, and I think there's a lot more to it. So let's just go and fill this in. So I'm going to do a bit of blue on this side, and then on the other side, I'll use some other colors. So I'm going to go and finish this off and catch up with you guys once I have. So I've now completely done one side, so then to go and move it around, come off of the person and simply drag like so. And then let's go and get started on this side. So now with the bucket tool, and guys, how the bucket works is simply click on it, go and select the color you'd like. So if I'm going to go and say select the white color like so, and then you simply go and click on the panel you want to change the whole color of. So click on it once and it's going to do the whole thing. So then I click here, all white, continue to drag around by clicking off of the person holding, and then go and paint, and then the whole head is now white, and I'll do the front as well. There we go guys, honestly it's that straightforward. So now I'm going to go and do the rest of the back as well, just spin this round like so. So I'm going to go back to the auto tone and then go and do a green. And now I've pretty much finished off. Now quick note, you're going to need to go and click on some of these to go and remove them so you can get access to some of the parts you can't paint. For example, the inside leg. So click here, and then as you can see, we've got all of this area still to paint. If we don't do this, it just is going to look weird in the game. So now I can simply go and change the color, say to sort of pink purple, click there, boom, and then I can go and click on it again, it puts the leg back in, and I'll go and do the other leg. And you have to do this for the arms as well. So for example, I just go and turn the main body off, and then you can go and get to the arms and the top of the legs. And then you'll have to turn the arms as well to be able to get to the side of the middle part of the body, just like so. And that's pretty much it. So now all you want to do is come down here and simply go and click download. You can also go and upload the skin dex if you like. So I'm going to click download, and then it goes and drops the file down here. We can go and open it up, and here it is, and then you want to go and make sure you have that file. And once you downloaded it, you can come and close off Chrome. So there we go. Now we need to go and open up Minecraft. So open up your Minecraft launcher, wait for it to open, and then all you want to do is once it loads is navigate to skins just below Minecraft Java Edition, click on skins, and then all you want to do is go and click on new skin, and then you can go and either do the classic or the slim model. I'm going for classic. I'm going to name this example, and then I'm going to go and find the skin file by clicking browse and go to downloads. Here it is, and then I'm going to go and double click here. Then it's going to go and upload it, and as you can see, that is the exact skin I just made. then go and click save and use. As you see, it's now applying the skin, and that is our current skin, and you can go and switch back to any previous skins here as well. So I'm going to go and get into a game and show you guys what it looks like. And guys, here is my skin. It looks really cool, and of course you can do anything you'd like and design anything. If you found this video useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.